Hi, I'm Kyle Pillsbury with MarineMax in Fort Myers, Florida. Today I'd like to take you through the Galeon 56 Sky. It's a neat boat. I'm standing here on the swim platform right now. The boat's 15 feet 8 inches wide. We have a hydraulic swim platform here that's capable of holding just about any tender. The capacity of the swim platform is 1,100 pounds. Also here at the swim platform, we have access to the crew area as well as engine room. Easy access to everything you need to get at mechanically. Standing on the bridge, great space, and again, this is kind of bonus space really on this boat because it's aesthetically designed to look like an express, and then with a touch of a button it opens up to a Flybridge. This is a great use of space really. It's great storage up here, amazing visibility, and I can just imagine on that perfect day in the Bahamas or on the Great Lakes or on one of the rivers, what a neat place to just cruise around. I'm here at the upper salon. You have a panoramic view. The windows are abundant, they're large, they're tall. You have great seating over here to the port side. You have a table, seating for 8 to 10 people. You also have a nice bench seat over here on the starboard side. Just really a wide open space and a smart use of space by Galeon. So we've got a galley aft, which is popular in the boating world right now. It really frees up a lot of space forward and then services the cockpit area well. A lot of natural light. This is a galley that's probably considerably larger than most boats in that 55 to 60 foot size range. There's a lot of storage, a lot of cabinetry, drawers, and again, while you're cooking or prepping a meal, you have awesome visibility outside of the boat. In the VIP stateroom, easily could be a master in most other boats. It's large, again, with a lot of storage. Your own zone heating and cooling, another nice feature. Great closet storage. You have ensuite head and shower, and easy access to the bed as well. We're in the full beam master. Great space, a lot of headroom, excellent use of natural light, port and starboard. You really never feel like you're in the cave. It's nice and light, well lit. Great storage, port and starboard. You have a nice little vanity area here with also storage. Thank you for joining us on the walkthrough of the Galeon 56 Sky. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, Kyle Pillsbury, or MarineMax.com.